Hello, hi. Okay, have you come across a situation where you ping your printer and you get no response? Have you? I have come through situations like that when my printer would not respond back to me. There would have been many reasons, but I'm going to list you a few of the reasons. Like the cable would have been damaged, or the cable wouldn't be plugged properly in my printer, or my printer would have been offline, something like that. So, how do you check the connectivity between your printer and your computer? Not only your printer, any network devices, communication between two computers or printer or scanner or anything. The easiest and the simplest way to check for the availability of the destination would be ping. Okay, now let's learn a little bit about ping. The ping command is a command prompt which is used to test the ability of the source computer to communicate or to reach to a specified destination computer. The ping command is usually really very simple. Not only two computers, but it can help you to check connectivity between any network devices. Now, how does this work? The ping command operates by sending echo request message to the destination and it waits very patiently. Now, let me tell you the difference, the significant difference between Windows and Linux. In Windows, when you ping your host name, the domain name, it pings 4 times and that's it, it's done. So there's 4 response back in Windows, that's it. But whereas in Linux it goes infinitely, it goes on and on and on. You don't require this because your major job is to check for the connectivity. So I'm going to teach you a shortcut, I mean to use a small switch where the connectivity can be found very easily. Okay, dash C. Do you like to have a look on this command? Yes, okay. Ping dash C 3 scanme.nmap.org dash C. This option sets a number of ICMP echo requests to be sent. Do you get it? So if I put 3, that means just 3. 3 echo requests will be sent from my Linux machine. So, but when you close this terminal, it'll go back to its default behavior. That's going to be infinite loop. Now, if I want, because let's say I'm a busy person, I can't wait for all this loop to go on and then to abort the connection by pressing Control C and so on. So if I want my ping command to behave in such a way, what do? Is I put alias ping is equal to dash ping 2. That means I'm telling anytime I run the ping command, please just send 2 ICMP echo requests to destination, not more than that. You get it? That's what I'm trying to say over here. And then you can even save this file to your bash. In future, that will be very helpful. So anytime you open a terminal and you type ping and the host domain name, it's just going to ping twice, not more than that. It'll make your job more easier. Now, our job over here is nothing about the ping, but about wireshark, how the packets are moving from source to destination and how it works. Now, let's open our wireshark. Go to applications, go to sniffing, and open your wireshark. And now go to the capture and start capturing. Now let me go back to my machine and run. Alright, now let me get back to my Wireshark and stop the capturing. Alright, now there's so many things going on. You know, when you're on the network, you can see ERP. That means when you're on network, someone talks to someone. Now you don't require to know all this junk over here. Now let's go ahead and filter it. That'll be ICMP because I'm interested more in ICMP packets. So let's read more about ICMP. Oh, you can say over here. Do you like to have a close look on the output? Alright, this is going to be the source, that's going to be my computer, and destination, that will be scanme.nmap.org, the protocol ICMP, and the results. Alright, now look over here. Let's open. We don't require this for now, so let us lower this down. Oh, I'm not able to lower it. Ah, that's it. It's gone. Okay, now let's open the Internet Protocol and ICMP. As I told you, oh, did I tell you what is the best functionality of ping? Hold on one second. The ping, we're trying to figure out the issues, right? So what does a ping do is ping gives us two important vital information. The two information is, first one is how many of those response are written and how long it takes for them to return. That is ICMP echo response and the timestamp. These two information the ping will provide us, which will help us to troubleshoot. All right, now let's go and see ICMP protocol. You can look over here. You can see sequence number one. Okay, sequence number is available for us to track to check whether it's gone perfectly. Now let's see. I clicked upon the first packet. That'll be the first one over here. It tells me sequence number one. Echo ping request. I send them a request saying hello. Now if you go to the next packet, my destination, that will be scanme.nmap.org, has replied back to me. What did they say? Look over here, sequence number one. That means for this particular request, this reply has been sent. So I can track this using the sequence number. In future, we'll be studying about ICMP error message and so and so. Now, if you can read things through wireshark, that means you'll be able to troubleshoot anything in near future. Now, let's go to the third packet. Now, the source is my IP address 10.0.0.2.15. Again to destination. ICMP ping request sent. If you can see here where it will be sequence number 2. If you go over here and check, it will be sequence number 2. That will be my echo reply. Did you get it? I'm sending a request. They're replying back with the ICMP type. You can look over here. The type 0, echo ping reply code 0, and sequence number is 2, which correlates with this sequence number. This sequence number. This is 1. You can check it over here. 1. And this is 1. For this request, this reply. If you go over here, you can see the error mark. It says you sent this packet and we received this one. You can see the error mark. All right, over here too. If you click this one, similar way it shows the error mark. Did you get an idea about how wireshark works and how you can figure out the packets? If you're going to open all this, you'll get informations. Not This is one of the way you can learn about the packets, how one packet leaves from one computer reaches the other computer, about the time to live, the protocols, the flags, and everything. This is the best way to learn. Wireshark can teach you anything you want to know about packets. Alright, now did you get an idea about how packets travel? Okay, now our next tutorial we'll be learning more about ICMP error message and so and so. I hope you understood something about ping and wireshark. All right, thank you.